Hey, 5th grade. Alright, this is a good unplug coding challenge. Okay, color image representation. Basically, it's like a color printer that when you want to print something, say a report or a picture in color to one of the printers at school, this is basically how it works. Alright? So our color key is zeros mean white. So you just leave them blank. The squares, that is. All colors on a screen are a pixel or a little square. Ones are black, so you can see I have a black pencil here. Twos are yellow. I just chose an orange marker so you can see it better on my video. I would use a yellow colored pencil in case you make a mistake, then you can erase it. Okay? Alright, so, and three are gray. I would just use regular pencil for gray and just lightly shade. Okay? Alright, so each one of these is referring to the corresponding row. This one says 0, the first number tells you the color, defines the color. White. I'm starting with white. How many white do I need? 23 white. Well, there's 23 squares in each row. So this whole row is white. Alright, now 0, well, how many for the, oh, let me start over. So now I'm on the second row. 0 tells me it's white. How many white? 6. The first 6 are white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put my finger there. Okay. Now 1, that defines the color to be black. How many black? After that 1 is a 1. So 1 black. Okay. Alright, I'm actually using dark blue, but just pretend it's black. Okay, so now 0, that's my next color, is white. And 9 white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so right after here is going to be, a 1, 1. The first one means black, tells me the color, and how many black? 1. There, close enough. And then I end with 0, which is my color white, and then 6 zeros. 6 white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now the next one. Look, I see a pattern. So I just move 1 over from here. You might see a pattern develop. Okay, same thing. Ooh. Then it gets trickier. First 8 are white because 0 means white. Or excuse me, 9. And then 9 white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's white. 1 is black. Ooh, 5 black. See how I kind of outlined them? There's another tip. So my shape is starting to take form. And then look, I see another pattern. 9 white and 5 more. It's the same as that one, the previous one. So computer scientists and coders always look for patterns. It saves you time. See, it's just duplicated, so I could just do that. Alright, now remember there's some yellow in here as well, and it is a type of animal, hint hint. So then do the next one. Whoops, sorry. Okay, do the next hidden picture right here. It's the same way, and guess what, you get to have some different colors. You get to use pink and green with your yellow this time. And here, this is a lot like Sudoku. So, I'll leave this one up to you. I don't want to give you too many hints, but if you like Sudoku, I bet you'll like this. So just try your best. This one's optional. You don't have to do that one. Alright? Okay. Good luck. Thanks. This one's fun. Okay? What I suggest is that you draw arrows to the rows, or just a line like I'm doing, so you don't start coloring in the wrong row. Okay? So, ones are on, or white, okay? Zeros are black. So the first two are white. They're all white, okay? Because they're on. One's equal on, okay? And then the third column would be white, white, because it's 1, 1, white, white, and then black, black. I could actually just go over here like this, because I know then these two are black. And then I skip one, because the next one is white. It's a 1. And then I've seen some kids in the past draw in the zeros so they know where to shade them in before they start shading it. Hey, like number 5 is all white again. All right, so I could shade in my zeros here quick. All right, and this one is the opposite. It's fun. Draw your own design, maybe a Minecraft creeper or a different design. It could be a letter. I could make an M maybe out of squares for my first letter of my first name. Okay, and then you would put the code in over here. So if I had these two shaded in, let's pretend, as part of my fun design, it would be 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1. All right, good luck with all your pixels and your binary unplugged challenges. Check you later. All right, hey guys, this is graph paper programming. So you should have watched the video first, the unplugged video of how this works, but I'm going to review it before we go. Our options for commands are forward, back, up, down, and then draw. Or you can pretend it's a burn command, because this is very much how this grid system is very much how our laser cutter and 3D printer work. Okay, so like a stylus would be up vertically like this, and you have to give them commands, give the stylus commands of where to move, and then apply the draw or burn command to make the black squares, the black square designs. Okay, so what I suggest you do is maybe just number these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which they already are. Circle the one you want to do. I want to do number 1. Okay, and then what was helpful for me is I tear off the sheet. So you can start with whatever one you want. Okay, and then on your graph paper page, okay, so number 1, I'll just write right there, and then I can write my algorithm with the list of commands. All right, so your stylus always starts in the top left corner, okay, or the burning stylus or the extruder of a 3D printer. So you could circle all those spots. I would like you to do at least 2, maybe 3. If you want to do all of them, that's great too. Okay, so I'm going to do right here. So it starts right here. It's like hovering right here. Okay, let me move my hand. So what's it going to do first? I think the most optimal path with the least amount of commands would be down and then burn, then forward, then up burn, forward burn, then down burn, forward burn. Okay? You might see a different path, but that's what I'm going to do. So over here now, on my piece of paper, trying to get it so you guys can see everything at once. There we go. So my first command, because it's starting right here, would be go down. Down. So now it's hovering right here. It needs to burn or draw, whatever you want to call it, like a little lightning bolt. And then it needs to go, now it's right here, forward and up. So forward, up. Now it's right here, it would burn. Okay, forward burn. Okay, now it's hovering right here after it burns. Now it needs to go down and forward. And then right here, burn. An extra challenge would be for you to program it to go back here, because that's what a laser cutter and 3D printer stylus, that's what they do. So when it's done right here, so then it'll go back, 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 up. Okay, and if you want to make a loop, a repeater, that'd be kind of fun. Okay, back, circle it, assign 3 times. See how I did that? I circled the back, and then I did the loop for 3, and then it needs to go up. Now it's done. Now I can move on to the next one. As you can see here, you might see a pattern. Burn, down, forward. Burn, down, forward. Burn, down, forward, burn. Cool, huh? So you can even make that into a loop. All right. Now quickly, I'm going to show you this page. Some kids like to start on this page first. Feel free to. All right, so you need to complete these puzzles, so to speak. So you're starting right there where the star is. So I start, it's black, so I start with a burn. Second one, I'm going to go forward and then down. Forward. Third one, down. Now I need to burn. Okay? I can finish that, finish these, and then down here it's the opposite. Okay? Oops, come on. Follow this. Okay, and you start here. I go forward, burn. Just did those. Forward. Okay? Down, burn. Okay? And then you make it right there. Okay. Well, good luck. Thanks. Well, hey guys, it's Mr. Stom again. Here's how you do some binary activities. I'm going to start with binary bracelets. This is a great one. This is lots of fun. Okay, here's our binary alphabet, A through Z. If you noticed, each letter of the alphabet has 8 characters in it. Okay? Because when you type the A key on your computer, these little microscopic gateways open and close. When they are closed, they're black, and when they're open, it lets the information, or light, possibly, through. So A, they're all different. They're all similar, but they're all different. A would be black, white, black, 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 white. And they are separated. That part is kind of tricky. So for the binary bracelet, down here, you're going to put the first letter of your name. Okay, my name is Mike. Well, first of all, I should probably put my name on my paper, right? Okay, I'll pretend I'm in your class. All right. Now, my name starts with an M, so please circle the first letter of your name. Okay? And down here, I get to shade them in. If you want to be kind of more creative, so to speak, you can use a colored marker, but I suggest you use a pencil first with an eraser, just in case you make a mistake, so you can erase it. Okay? So, now, if I wanted to use a marker later, maybe just lightly do some X's where your black ones would be. So look, black, black. See how I'm going and checking them? White, white. This one would be white. Black, black. The next two are black. Okay, for my name, that is. Now look at the second set for my M. White, 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 and then black right here. My last one is white. Pretty easy, huh? Some kids in the past have put their letter right there, just to remind them on their bracelet. So now you could even use, let me grab a marker here. If I wanted, say my favorite color is orange, I could color these X spots, or I could erase them quick, and color in with, if you want a colorful bracelet. Or, if you just want to be like me, and just shade them in, because that's how they kind of are inside of a computer's, like a computer chip. The gateways open and close to let information or even light, if it's a light on a screen, in. So do a nice job shading. Try not to make it messy. Mine's not too messy. I'm going a little bit fast though. So then the fun part is, get some scissors. There we go. And here we go. You cut out your bracelet, your binary bracelet. Try to stay in the lines. Now then, school, that was hard for me, using scissors. I remember. Luckily, I've had a lot of practice. So now, you need to get some tape, or even glue, I guess. And here's my tip for your bracelet. Okay, you take probably your left hand, whatever hand you don't write with, and then you lay your, I'll get this out of the way. You lay your bracelet, I'll let it focus, okay, upside down, so you turn it over, and then you put your wrist on it. I use my left hand, and then I'd put one end here, one end there, just like this, see? And then I would put some tape right here where they meet, or at the intersection of the two parts. Then I can wear my cool binary bracelet around the house and show my family. They'll be super jealous. All right, good luck, and thanks. All right, Mr. Stem again. So please put your name at the top. This is the second activity for binary bracelets. You're not really making a bracelet on this one. You're decoding a secret message in binary code. You'll be writing the real letters of the alphabet here. Okay? So you look at, this is the first letter. I need to match them up here. This is kind of like your key. So it goes black, white, black, black. Ooh, so I know that is in this column. And then it goes black, black, white, white. Oh, right here, black, black, white, white. So this one is letter C. Okay. Next one, black, white, black, black. So it's got to be, okay. And then look, it's all white. So now I'm looking at columns, on the second column for one that has all white. Oh, that one does. And it matches up with the first part, black, white, black, black. It's an O. Okay, C-O. Next one, black, white, black, black. Okay, so it's probably this column. And then black, white, black, black. Black, white, black, black. There it is, D. All right, C-O-D. Oh, I wonder what that could be. You have any guesses? Here's a hint. All right, so I know it's the first column again. Then black, white. Oops, excuse me. Black, white, black, white. Ooh, pattern. Black, white, black, white. It's E. Black, white, black, white. So the first word is code. So then I write that over here. And then the next word is 2 letters. And then the last word is 3 letters. So if it helps, you could do something like this. I remember seeing some kids doing this last year. So when you decode them, these 2 go there, and these last 3 go right here. You don't have to do that. I just thought I'll give you a tip. All right, good luck with your second binary worksheet